Our artist Ethel is back from France, painting in gaujac, and it was such fun to have her be part of this wonderful experience. And these two scenes that she has just put the final touches on today are in Lirac France. It's southern France, the Provence region. And so she printed out her picture over here, and wow, what she has done with that in interpreting, and brought it to a whole new level. And this is one of the vineyards that we passed along the way. We had left the Prairie de Montazags and had a wine tasting there one morning and sketched. And again, Ethel did lovely sketches outside. And so now, final touches. It's a great day. Here's her palette. I think it's always fun to see an artist's palette. So, bringing those upward, and it's been a wonderful day. Feel like we're right back there. Bye now.